Hi, my name is Mason, and today I'm going to be showing you a few purification methods. But first, we are going to get some unpurified water. Now that we have our water, I will begin with the demonstration. Now, there are many ways you can do it. You can boil it, you can do charcoal method, but in this case, I don't have a fire. But I do have the sun. I'm going to be cooking water out in the woods with the sun. Now, what I have here is a emergency blanket. I am going to be making it a sort of a U shape, if you will. As you can see here, I got my bottle of water, and with the emergency blanket, this is pretty much what I did. Now, in the cases of summer, I mean, you would get this thing pretty hot. Now, what this is supposed to do is the UV rays are supposed to purify the water, and you can also, I guess, shake it in order to oxygenate it. So there you have it. It's an amplified solar purification system. Next method is Frontier emergency filter. If you're wondering how it works, it has a couple filtering technology systems in it. It is tested and certified to reduce chlorine, bad taste, and odors, and it says here it also removes 99.9% Giardia and Cryptosporidium and waterborne pathogens. It has an insert for the straw. Put it in tightly, and I'm going to drink this straight out of the pond water. So there we go. That right there, folks, tastes like pretty good water. Aqua Mira Frontier emergency filter system with For the past 5 minutes or so, I have been trying to start my fire with a block known as wet fire, and in the package it says you can light this thing with a spark easily, and so far it is not lighting at all. And well, I'm going to try this with a match. It's a little windy today. You see I have a one block of sorts with my kindling on it. See if this block will light up. Alright, let's see. Alright, as you can see, I started it. Let's get kindling and start getting this fire going. Say it's hot, summertime, and you're out backpacking, you're nowhere near a water source whatsoever that is clean. So, even though this is not hot summertime, I'm just going to be showing you how to easily purify your dirty water. Now, is the evaporation method. So first, I'm going to dig a hole. Alright, now that I dug my hole, I got my water in it, and as you can see, I put some sticks in here to support my cup so it doesn't either flip over from the condensation or spills. So, what I did, as I did that, now it's time to put my plastic over. Earlier you saw me making my fire. Well, that is because I'm going to boil my water with this method. It is kind of like boiling your water with the pot over your fire, but this is a rock boiling method. So I heated my rocks up. As you can see, I got some here and here. Now we're going to put them into my pot, as you can see here, full of water, dirty water, so I can boil it and make it drinkable. As you can see, it's bubbling up pretty fast. There's a lot of steam coming out, but that's a good thing. And with these ashes on the rock, that'll also help clean the water up a bit. Now, I would not recommend drinking this as soon as the rocks are done. A little hot here. You can see I'm using a metal pot for my demonstration. That is because I had one accessible to me, but if you're in a survival situation, most people would use a homemade wooden bowl or animal skin, whatever they can use that will not burn through the bottom. That is how you boil water with rock. Now, this purification method involves chemicals. Now, most common chemical to use water purification is, you guessed it, bleach. Now, in an in-home method, say, or it's the apocalypse, this would be very good to use. Per quart, you need at least 3 to 4 drops, depending on how infected the water is, so you don't turn into a zombie. If you have an eyedropper, it is best to do it that way, to put your drop in. Now you have to be very, very careful. You don't want to get too much because, well, too much bleach can kill you. Ooh. 2, 3. There you have it. With those 3 drops, you can now drink your purified water as if it came straight out of your sink. Alright, hi, my name's Mason, and this is my primitive conibeer trap. As you see, it's pretty late in the night. Took me a while. And let's see if this puppy works. It's strong enough to keep your stick in there, and the animal won't get loose. So there you have it.